Hey friends, it's Cindy from DIY Beautify, and today I have a super fast and easy little tutorial to share with you for Easter and spring, and it's so cute. These little nests in teacups. They're made from Spanish moss, and they are so easy to throw together, you're going to be shocked. It hardly even warrants a tutorial, but I know some of you struggle with recreating what we YouTubers and bloggers do. So that's why today I thought I would just pop in here really quick and show you how easy these are to make. They hardly take any supplies. I mean, literally, you need a bag of Spanish moss. I bought this at Michael's with a coupon and I think I paid $3, and it's a lot of moss. It's going to last a while. This stuff's really messy, so just make sure you're working on a surface that, you know, you can wipe it up after. And the only other thing you need are your vessels. You can use teacups like I have, or I even grabbed this little shallow bowl. Anything that works with your spring and Easter decor. I actually have decorated my dining room sort of around this theme. It's navy blues and pinks and lots of vintage thrifted dishes that I've found over the years. So I will link to that at the end and you can check that out. So okay, all you do is rip off a piece of moss. You want about a good handful. Now just take a look at your piece and pull out any sticks or like rough parts that are not gonna do your nest any benefits. And then it's just a matter of, I don't even know what you call this. I'm just going in a circle, pressing my thumbs into the middle to create a little indentation. You don't want it to be too deep because you don't want your eggs to get lost in there. Just a little indentation until you have just a rough nest shape. Now, if you have looked at nests at the craft store, Easter nests like this, they're not cheap. They're about $3 or $4 each, and if you need several of them, it can quickly add up. What I love about this craft is that it's no commitment. Once Easter's over, I can just scoop this back up, throw it in my bag, and it's ready for another project. So now that I've got just this loose nest shape, it's a matter of gently topping my teacup with it. Now you don't want to push it down because then you're going to lose the definition. And of course what sets it apart are the little eggs. Now you don't want to, you could use a regular sized egg. These are some craft eggs that I painted a few years ago, but you can see that one is going to fill that nest. So rather than use the big ones, I have some small ones that these are little ones that I antiqued last year. And I found that 3 eggs fits really nice in this little faux, whoops, I just lost one. Did you hear it bounce on my floor? Okay. 3 eggs fits really nicely in this little faux nest. Oh, well, obviously you want to do this and carry it gently to your table. But the point is, it took what, all of like 3 minutes to throw this together. And it's so cute and has just this natural organic feel to it. I'm actually using the blue teacups as part of my place settings. So they're resting on the middle of each plate. And like I said, I'll link to my table below so that you can take a look at that and get some other ideas. But I hope you've enjoyed this. Please let me know if this is something you think you might do, and definitely follow me. I would love to have you following along all my DIY projects. So have a great day.